Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your browsing data on the Google Chrome web browser. So if you have browsing data you have saved and you want to remove it, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select where it says delete browsing data. You can also select the Control, Shift, and Delete key as well to open up this page. And then you can select the time range for how far back you want to go. And then you would select where it says Delete Data. And then you may need to relaunch the browser. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that it will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.